killed by giant hailstones. But why they were there and where they come from, it's still unknown. The Blue Volcano, Indonesia. On Mount Ijen in East Java, the volcano doesn't glow red, it burns bright blue. This happens because of hot sulfur gas. At night, the gas catches fire and glows blue. It looks like something from another planet. Local workers collect the sulfur every day. They work in dangerous conditions with little protection, surrounded by smoke and fire. Moving stones, Death Valley, USA. In Death Valley, California, large stones move across the dry desert floor, all by themselves. No one touched them.